Hey there, fellow adventurers and tech enthusiasts. I'm Scott, and welcome to Scott's Picks and Tricks, my brand new YouTube channel. If you're already familiar with my other channel, you know I'm no stranger to the platform, but this time we're shifting gears and hitting the road. Now, you might be wondering, Scott, what's this channel all about? Well, thanks for asking. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on an electrifying journey that combines my three passions: road trips, photography, and my Tesla. That's right, we'll be cruising across the country in my Tesla, exploring hidden gems and capturing breathtaking moments through my lens. But that's not all. We'll also be diving deep into the fascinating world of electric vehicle technology, with a special focus on my Tesla. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Oh, great, another eco warrior preaching about saving the planet. Well, hold on to your hats, folks, because that's not me at all. At 50 years young, I consider myself a libertarian, and my reasons for going electric are far from what you might expect. Let me paint you a picture. Before my Tesla, I was driving a Dodge Ram 2500 diesel. Now, don't get me wrong, it was a beast of a machine, but it was guzzling fuel faster than I could say, fill her up. I was shelling out about $140 every single week just to keep that monster running. Fast forward to today, and my monthly charging bill for the Tesla? A mere $53.03. That's for an entire month, folks. It's not about hugging trees, it's about hugging my wallet. Throughout this channel, we'll be battling a lot of misinformation about EVs, especially Teslas. We'll separate fact from fiction, and I'll share my real-world experiences, the good, the bad, and the surprising. So if you're ready for an adventure that combines the thrill of the open road, the beauty of photography, and the excitement of cutting-edge technology, all wrapped up with a healthy dose of myth-busting, then you're in the right place. This might be the only talking head video you'll see on this channel, as we'll be out and about for most of our content. But I wanted to kick things off by introducing myself and setting the stage for the exciting journey ahead. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our upcoming trips and tricks. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the road.